Hello everyone, this is Renato from Headspin UI, and in this short video we are going to cover grid switcher component and how could you implement this on your site. So basically grid switcher will give you ability to implement these two buttons. When you click on grid view, it will show items as grid, and when you click on list icon, it will show in list. So in order to implement this on your site, you need to click copy component, go to your install. Let's say this is my local install, and I have it implemented already with pasting. After that, we need just save. And we are going to check at the front end. So we could check, and out of box it works. But you won't probably need this grid, because you are going to use some data from your design. This is just to demonstrate this. We could delete grid, and now we could add new grid to replicate your content, and we are going to create just some items, so it will just be for demo. You could see it will work with any grid element. So we have deleted default grid element which was packed inside this component and added our own grid, and it works. You may want to implement this with dynamic data. You could also do that. Let's use post list, and we have added post list. We have now grid with a list of posts. We are going to save, and it is working also with posts. So basically it should work with most of the things you may drop, like grids or post loop, post list, and so on. So you need just to copy, and instead of default grid, you could just place own data after this switch. Thanks for watching, and that would be all from grid switcher component.